Do you want to swim or dive faster, deeper, more efficiently, feel like a dolphin? Would you like to explore the underwater world more easily? You can achieve all this with Amphi, a personal underwater vehicle designed for snorkelers, free divers, scuba divers, and water sport enthusiasts. We feel excited watching sea animals. We often dream of being one of them. Unfortunately, our human body doesn't give us enough power or endurance to fulfill this desire. That's why we built a vehicle to overcome our natural limitations. A vehicle that gives us the freedom of movement and natural dolphin-like style of swimming. Amphi is a Greek word which means two or both, like in being two things at the same time. Amphi is a vehicle unlike others that makes us feel united with water, makes us feel half human, half dolphin, half man, half machine. If you crave such feelings, then Amphi is for you. The vehicle is controlled by your body movement. No manual controls are needed. You move like a dolphin. The thruster adds power when your dolphin kick becomes stronger. The design allows for hands-free swimming in deep and shallow waters. Modular design allows for customization. The device can be set up for athletic performance or relaxed cruising. Amphi cares about your safety by providing quick foot release and easily accessible power kill switch. Close-fitting, easily removable cycling shoes will give you comfortable and efficient swimming experience. We're designing an app to control Amphi settings. Check swim history. Share swim experience with friends, record and analyze routes, speeds, and depths. We are crowdfunding for further development and production of Amphi, your personal underwater vehicle, the world's first bionic monofin.
We are crowdfunding for further development of Amphi, your personal underwater vehicle, the world's first bionic monofin. We deeply appreciate your help. Without your donations, this project, our dream, wouldn't be possible.
For more such videos on innovative products, subscribe to our channel Big Boys Toys Global. Check the description for product information.